In this video, I will show you how to add the bottom bar right there, okay? Let's do this right now. Be ready, I think this is a little bit longer than usual. Let's try this. First, you need to go inside the scaffold. Inside the scaffold, we have the app bar, that we have the app bar widget, finishing with the comma. We have the body argument that gives the text, which is a widget, finishing with the comma also. And you need to put another argument. So you need to be sure to separate every argument linked with widget, separate with a comma. We will go inside this. And we have the second one, call it bottom navigation bar. Seems great. A bottom navigation bar to display at the bottom of the scaffold. That is magnificent. If we go over this, we can see that this required a bottom navigation bar with the capital letter because it's a widget. And we will take this one, bottom navigation bar. That's great. If I put the hot reload, nothing happened. Okay. This is why, because, why maybe? Because if we go inside, you can see that we have nothing inside the bottom app bar. So we have in the bottom app bar a key, color, elevation, shape, clip, margin, child. Okay. Sorry, I don't think I have used the good one. Yeah, it's bottom navigation bar and I used the bottom app bar. Sorry about that. Bottom navigation bar. That's great. Now we have an error saying the name parameter items is required. Good. If you want to know the error, you just go over the thing and you will see the error. So we need item. If we go inside bottom navigation bar, we press Control space, we have all the arguments. The first one is the items. That's wonderful. We take this one. And now if we refresh, you see, oh, we have some error. Failed assertion, line, blah, blah, blah. Items.length need to be bigger than 2. So that means we need more than 2 items inside our item list. That's great. I will quit this and I will just continue the app because now we have a bug. So we have the red screen. How to solve this? We need items inside the items. You can see the same error right there. Items.length is bigger or equal at 2. So we go over items and we see that this takes a list of bottom navigation bar items. I will copy this one. I will go inside and this is a list. Okay, a list in Flutter is called by using square brackets. Easy as this. I will go inside and I will paste the widget that we need. Because as you can see, it takes a list of bottom navigation bar item, which this is also a widget because it starts with a capital letter. Bottom navigation bar item, and this need to use the bracket. Perfect. I will put, we see we have another error. The name parameter icons is required. That's good. We need icon. Let's say icon. And what does icon take? If we go over, we can see that icon is a widget. That's great. Do we have a widget called icon? That's a good question. Let's find out. Icon. And we have one. That's magnificent. Let's click on this one. And what does icon take inside? Icon take inside an icon data. Okay, good. This one is a little bit more tricky, but I can tell you that an icon data, if I press icons with the S, you see that icons is supposed to be an icon data. Where can we see this? I don't think they show it, but it's just because I know it. So I tell you right now, icon, take icons, dot something. I will say home. Great. Now we don't have error anymore, but we need 2 of them. We need 2 items inside the bottom navigation bar. So you see this is a little bit more complex. Right now you have some challenge. And you cannot just put the second like this because you see if we go over const literal as parameter, blah, blah, this expect to find the comma. We need to separate both of them with the comma. We need to separate items inside the list with comma. If I hot reload. We have another error. I will play and we will see the error right there is item.label is not equal to null. So we need to have something in the label. Where's the label? Let's go inside bottom navigation bar item. I will press control space or command space and we have label. That's great. If we go over label, you see this take a string. We know how to put a string. It's with the comma. And you say, by example, home because we use the home icon. We will copy this item, this label, sorry, and we will paste it for the second navigation bar item also. And now we will change this one for something else, maybe settings. And we will change the icon for settings. Yeah, we have it. That's perfect. I will save. On the next one, I think I will explain a little bit more about icon. It's just because it happened that we absolutely need it, so I will use it. And now when you hot reload, you see we have the two button. That's great. We have something at least. But now you can see the little blue line everywhere. We will solve this in the next video. So see you on the next one. Bye.